Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel. Today we are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. This time we'll be introducing this vegetarian duck stew with shred meat and mushrooms. Give it a try, it's perfect match with rice. For whatever reason you need in vegan, you can take out the pork and change to vegetarian oyster sauce instead of abalone sauce. For ingredients, you can check at the end of our video. First, slide the ginger into slices, then into shreds. Followed by the shallot into slices, then into shreds as well. When it is done, put it aside in a bowl. Now we take care of the mushrooms. Remove the strips of the mushroom and slide into shreds. Also place them aside for later use. We have used the pork collar butt hot pot slice today. So we don't have to marinate after slicing. Now we can slice the vegetarian duck we are using today into two halves as it is quite long. When the pan is heated, place the vegetarian duck inside, without oil. After both sides are crispy and stiffened, remove it from heat. After cooling, slice it into thick slices. After the pan has heated, add the pork and start to fry. As the pork we are using today has fat itself, so we won't be adding additional oil. Add some pepper, when the pork is medium well, add the ginger and shallot. add some rice wine. When aromatic, add the mushroom shells. A little sesame oil. After frying slightly, add the chicken powder, abalone sauce, and water. JAR tips: since the abalone sauce is thick, we do not need to add cornstarch water for today's dish. Remember tasting. Simmer for around 1 minute, then add the vegetarian duck. Then simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. JAR tips: note the dish is relative sauce absorbing. If you would like more sauce, add 50 ml of water. Add the spring onion, then we are ready to go. Vegan or meat eater can serve well with this dish. If you also like this vegetarian duck mushroom and shredded pork, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice day.